Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some goodies that I purchased from Bima's Crafty Corner. She had a sale on the 7th and she actually had a smash book and I love these. This is my second one. And this one's theme I believe is cooking, but it's not about what's on the back because by the time I'm done you really can't see it. But or sports, one or the other. But I love the paper and I love doing the different pages. I can show you the one I got started. Did I show you this if you guys want to see what I do with it? And just got different pages. Sometimes I keep the theme of the page. It all depends. You betcha, you know. Like these are a few of my favorite things. I may keep that, you know. We're out of here, you know. Or maybe it's vacation theme. Man, you're cool. Whoa. So it's hard to say because I don't think it tells you what this sleeve is. Retro style. Pen and glue. Yeah, the pen's not here, but that's alright. Your life, your stuff, yeah. But it's just different pages. It's kind of cool. I love these. So this is the newest one, so I have one when I finish this one. Ooh, hidden camera. Sorry I made you dizzy. Everything's clustered on my desk right now, and I wanted to do this video because I'm putting things away and I have to change all the stuff. But you can see that I've been just doing random little pages throughout with the kids, things that are happening in the world. Like this is about Ukraine, my birthday, Diamond and Cecilia getting accepted in college, random stuff sent to me, things happening in my life. This page I'll still continue on. And then my birthday, my bathroom makeover, just random things sent. And then Allie's first concert. And then me having a makeover from the granddaughter. I still have to doodle. I'm really never done with the pages. I go back and forth on them. So that was cool, fine. And then she had this, and I thought these were cool. Oh my god. Yeah. And I knew I have a couple white ones like this. I think I gave them to Allie, and Allie liked them. So when I saw these, I picked them up. Oh, Jesus, this plastic, I tell you. Oh, there we go. And so you get a red, yellow, or red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And it's just little books that Allie likes making her own stories in. So I picked them up for Allie Cat. So I got that up there. So I give her down when she's here next time. And I don't lose them in my craft space. And then she had this Tim Holtz stencil, and I love my stencils, so I picked that up. Kind of cool. Snowflake winter theme. But I like. Awesome. Put that back here with my stencils. Putting things away right away. And then she had these, and I thought these were cool. And you got different chipboard pieces, and you flip that out so you can have the circle and the flower. And there's different sizes in here. So I thought them were cool. I could just see them on a mixed media piece. And then I won 2 of her little giveaways. And I won some little stickers that look like little aliens. Aren't they cute? And then I won some frames. And then this was in there too. I'm not quite sure what this is. I think this was like a thank you, I think. Oh, they're tassels. Oh, them are cool. So they're little tassels. It's got more patience than I do to do that. And you know what? I'm gonna put one of these on my boho journal I just made. That would look cool. So that is from Bima's Crafty Corner sale that she had on this summit. So if I remember to put her channel in the description box below. If not, go over and check her out, guys. Alright? As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.